Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we are.
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
We'll put that on the basis of that. That's not a decision. That's just agreeing with somebody else's decision and supporting it. And the judge said, but it affects the fact that you support it affects reputation. They're both bound up together. So if I'm going to be allowing a challenge to the director's decision, I should also allow a challenge to the commission's agreement with it in substance. So that's the one thing that they allowed. She allowed. But the remaining three things, which were the big fight in the case, were the applications for orders, technical call mandamus, orders to force directors and commission to do certain things. Those are the orders that were strongly contested, and the judge dismissed them. As you mentioned, they sought an order to compel the relevant director to recommend the exoneration of the Honorable Prime Minister. And the judge agreed with us that that's not something that had any chance of success. Dismissed that application. They sought applications to direct the Director of Investigation to examine his annual declarations, 12 his annual declarations. And the judge pointed out the problem is not that he didn't examine them. The problem is that having examined them, he came to certain conclusions as to why they could not be finalized and could not be accepted. So he just said it would be hopeless to seek an order to force him to examine them. When he did, that's not a problem. And so the applications to direct the directors or the commission to do specific things, all of those were rejected by the courts. And there's no doubt why, as the judge points out at the end, having made her various rulings, the Prime Minister and the other applicants applied for leave to appeal against the judge's judgment, which, again, after submissions, she rejected. So that's a very long summary, but...
No, that's actually not very long. That's very concise, considering the involved nature of the ruling. So what happens now?
Right. So the judge fixed a date for the first hearing. Under the law, once she grants leave, the applicants must file a claim within 14 days. That means they must file a claim by December 20. The rules also say that the judge must fix a date for the first hearing of that claim. And she's fixed January 7th, which is the earliest possible date, just as the court returns from vacation. So by December 20, the applicants, assuming they're still proceeding, should be filing their claim. And then we should all be back before the judge on January 7th for her to give directions such as fixing a trial date, directing will the trial be before a full court of 3 judges or 1 judge, things like that.
Bearing in mind where dates now are, what do you think is reasonable, assuming it continues to go forward for the hearing of the full claim?
In terms of timing?
Yes. Just, and I know you're guessing, but just based on what we're seeing in terms of dates.
Well, based on what the court has done recently with other urgent matters that everyone agreed were of national importance, it would not surprise me if the court facilitated a hearing within, say, 3 months, March, April kind of timing.
Okay.
But that again is subject to attorneys' cooperation.
Yes. So overall, is the Integrity Commission and the team pleased with this ruling or not?
Well, you can test it in this way. You can test it in this way. We didn't ask to appeal.
Okay, I hear you.
Okay.
All right, gonna leave it there. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Mike Hilton talking to us there, King's Counsel, leading the team representing the Integrity Commission in this matter. Listeners, it's a bag of lawyer in this case, you know. So on the Integrity Commission team, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. On Mr. Holness's team, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
On the Michael Manley campaign trail, it's a day of spot meetings in a score of villages, deep in the agricultural heartland of rural Jamaica. Mr. Manley is received with spontaneous warmth. But that he should have even bothered to visit this remote spot, 5 hours' drive away from his own Kingston constituency, is an indication of the seriousness of this election. He begins the meeting with words he's made his own.
Comrades, brothers and sisters of God and the word is love.
Today, he talks to the people of this community about how much better off they are under socialism. His message is that a PNP government of democratic socialism will work to ensure that more land is available and that there are better prices for farm produce. He caps his message with a cry, "Forward with socialism," but later denies that he aims to establish a second communist Cuba in the Caribbean.
The fact is that if we were a communist party, then we would have communist policies. We would declare ourselves as communists and act in that way. It's just not true.
The Manley motorcade moves on, leaving these villagers here to decide, like people all over Jamaica, whether the Labour Party's capitalist free enterprise approach or the PNP's brand of democratic socialism is the answer to Jamaica's problems. Trevor McDonald, News at 10, Kingston, Jamaica.
Yo! Let me tell you this from morning. I'm matter of fact from last night from I come and speak, but remember me tell you, man. Hey, me I vote from me at 17. I'm me tell you this. I'm come with them there. I'm come with them here talk to you know. Try know say uno me a deal with. I'm come with them there. I'm nice clean come with them. Talk to me now, man. Eh? From morning I want to talk about me to me go back on the road go do something. Run around and come back. Hey, let me tell you this, man. From me a vote, from me a 17 till now, me never see no conference nice. So, hey, comrade, are the first me see conference nice. So, yo, the conference nice, yo, fuck. Hey, but me comrade them, don't talk to me no, man. Hey, me say, they come, hey, tell you this, man. Me say the conference sweet. Eh? Me say me dance in my week. Me sing, me dance. Jesus Christ, I never see a conference nice. So comrades, one day. What me say? Power to the world. What me say? Jesus Christ, me say me enjoy myself yesterday. You know who am I, boss? Eh? Crawford. Hey, I love the man that. Me say, you know why I love Crawford? Crawford ever speak the truth. The man speak truth, you know, man. I talk truth, me call him like how me call myself talk truth, you know. It's like how one of my friends call me talk truth, Diane. Eh? I saw me call Crawford talk truth, you know. Hey, me say that man, the man. Say me love the man, me love the man, me love the man, me say me love the man, me say me love the man gone to great brother. When not the man there speaking, no man. The man they not talk no nonsense, the man I say straight facts. That the man they talking, you know, Crawford, you know. You see when me say Crawford come up yesterday? Eh? Me say, but me hear the crowd was silent. No whistle, nothing. Kind of body want hear with that your man they say, no man. Hey, yo! It's when me say cartel come on yesterday. Yo, remember me tell you. Eh? Me say the crowd lift. Remember me tell you, you know. Cartel make conference people them lift up. Yesterday me don't know how them not touch the sky, brother. Eh? Remember, me want labor right to man I say, if she didn't know say cartel come, they should have come there. I know labor right crowd who want come there. And PMP crowd who want come there because we know say what a PMP upliftment we are dealing with. A PMP and make a win. I know labor right make a win. A PMP power to the world. What me say? Me say man. But me even know when me want ask some question. You know why I want to ask some question today? Me hear what for Gaza people are leak out from cartel. Cartel are my fans, you know. Me couldn't get this thing straight. Cartel are my fans. Cartel are my DJ. Sorry, cartel are my DJ, but let me tell you this. But I know the cartel are PMP from morning. So everybody knows the cartel are PMP before I'm going before I'm going to prison. You know? So why problem now cartel come and go a conference? Why problem? Because I see a whole heap of Gaza fans have a dropping on them sleeve. I say them black cartel off of them rate and rate. Me not understand. You know, because cartel a PMP from morning. So him come out now and him go come a conference and it be a problem. Why it be a problem? Me no see why it be a problem. Me no see why it be a problem. Why it be a problem? Come here, some people are say a PMP make cartel go jail. Where you get that from? Eh? And a PMP make cartel go jail. So where you get that from? Say a PMP make cartel go jail. Me no know where you get that. We never hear cartel speech when it come out. Una cartel fans. We never hear a cartel say when it come out. Eh? Me no understand what una say. I know for una say una all delete him. Ray, come me I listen to this morning. Me I hear no for no live and thing. Me no understand that. Because cartel have banned PMP from morning. From me no cartel till no cartel not say PMP. Movado PMP. Bounty killer PMP. Majority of the DJ them are PMP, you know. Yeah. And when name they are PMP. Being a man a PMP. That is my artist. Another artist that is another artist of mine. And Shaba, my artist that. So me no understand what I say. You understand? Because boy, this thing me no know. But me no never tune to say cartel. But me didn't know say cartel a come. A conference. Me didn't know because me tell everybody they around me, tell them. All upon me TikTok, me tell them say cartel a come a conference. Me just know say him a come. Because that man make kerchief sell off. Right? All the Clark song we cartel bus. A cartel and Papa bus a Sunday, you know. And JLP have it. For them national anthem and take it over. PMP never vex when JLP did take over that song. PMP never vex. So cartel come a PMP conference and have it up and not take it up and have it up in on the sleeve. Me don't understand, you know. Cartel a straight PMP from morning. Why? You understand? Nobody never vex when they take that song there and make a national anthem. So I want to vex though through cartel come a PMP conference. I don't understand. I don't show no vex, Rasta. I don't show no vex. power we set to the world, you know. And straight power we set to the world, you know. You see me? And love and unity we are dealing with, brother. Not true when I say Labour right and we are say PMP. We are all one same way. You see me? But true we are say orange and una say green. Not for vex Rasta. Una was on delete the man and una got a fans and yes, una got a fan. But him have PMP fans and have Labour right fans. And una say green and we say orange. That not say una for vex the man. I busy do not still. But all we are one same way. I love we say same way. You see me? So, but me not lie. I love the conference that we go on yesterday. The conference is sweet. Power to the world. Remember me tell you now. What me say? Power to the world. Come with them there. Power to the world. Power the answer to the world, you know. No other can change, can switch. From my born till now. And I have sense. Graduate from school. Left school and I say PMP I want to vote for, you know. Yeah. So when I do PMP I make sure I put my vote for. Can't switch. Can't change. PMP I say to the world. You see me? So I want love me say, you know. All we are one same way. Yeah. Cartel say PMP. I know cartel make PMP a Gwaan. Cartel just say he might come a conference and I just that is it. You see me? We never see cartel in a green yet from me no cartel till now. A straight orange we ever see cartel. You understand? So me don't know why problem. Me don't know why problem. Come ready to talk to me and tell me why problem. Why